Hi guys, quick video today, the unboxing of the Ryobi Impact Drill. This is the brushless version. The actual model number is R18IDBL-0. As you can see in the corner there. Get on with opening this, and I have a few Ryobi drivers, a jigsaw, a nail gun, and an angle driver, but no impact driver. So I got some impact driver bits, and I've used someone else's recently, and I think out of the 3 Ryobi drills I have, I'm going to maybe let a couple go and keep the one drill, the angle drill, obviously the jigsaw and the nail gun, and keep this hopefully much more powerful. I've got a charged battery. You can feel there's tons more power there. It comes with a couple of heads and then the adapter. So if you're not aware, it just slots in, ready to go, and to take it out, if you can see that, just pull it forward and it's loose. If it's in properly, it actually jumps out. There you go. So extremely easy, extremely powerful. If you're like me, rather than becoming an expert in everything you want to buy, you prefer someone just says, I've done the homework, I've looked at the 15 different options, go for this one. So if you are using Ryobi tools and you want a Ryobi impact driver, then I think this is the best option. It's around £100. I'll put a link in on Amazon below, which if you are going to buy one anyway, please use that link. If I've set it up properly, that'll help the channel out a little bit. If you don't have one and you're looking to get one, and you've already got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Ryobi tools like I have, with the one system, one battery serves all, then this is the way to go. I'm not going to be using it that much that I need to have a sort of something that's good for working 8 hours a day. There's a lighter, smaller version. This is the brushless version. There's a few different ones. I think 4 different ones, but this one is the one that sort of comes up best for that budget. I think you add £60–70, you get the top-notch one, but this is easily the right one if you're sort of going middle of the road, but you don't want sort of cheap and regretful. That's what I'm trying to do, really. Give reviews on stuff I'm buying that's sort of not Festool because the budget's not there, but also something that I can do the homework on, or one of you guys can do the homework on, and we can list that and save some time. I'd much rather someone said to me, if you're on a budget, but your budget is between this and this, and you're doing this type of work, sort of DIY plus, but not professional, not all day long, then this is the tool for you, for whatever it might be. I think that's the best way to go. I'd much prefer take someone's advice who has already done the homework or has already had 3 different types and knows, and then just go straight in, buy it, get it delivered, and crack on using it, rather than becoming an expert in every single tool just to make sure you don't get the wrong one or regret it, a bit like my bandsaw. So that's the plan, that's the unboxing. I did have just so you can see the difference and sort of, do I really need one I've already got? For example, the Ryobi drill. Let's choose drill bit here. There is a big difference in speed compared to your Ryobi drill. Let's just make sure that's visible. Now clearly that's not using it as a driver, but I just wanted to show you the difference in power. Let's grab the other bit that came with it that shot off miles away. There it is. Get a screw. If only I had one more hand. And then again, just to show you the difference. That's a whole lot different from my Ryobi drill. Happy with that. I've also got a sliding sort of desk type worktop, which is on an angle over the other side of the wall, and I'm changing that for a flip top workbench, maybe two, and this is going to really come in handy because there's two screws, 4-inch screws going into a large hinge, and I'm going to need to really force that out because I can't get it out with the Ryobi drill, and this is going to help me sort of overpower that screw head that's being very stubborn. So you know, good for a lot of things, but basically that's a proper power driver, and if you're going to get one anyway and you're on Ryobi tools, then I think this is a really good option after having a look through all the different options out there. Obviously, if you've got Makita or Dewalt or whatever, and you're looking for the battery version, then that's always going to be the best way to go to avoid needing new chargers and stuff. But I went with Ryobi early on, and I don't want to change the whole system at this point. I don't need to. I'm not in here every day, so I think this works for me. So there you go. You get the drill, not the battery, obviously. You get these two bits. I totally forgot to mention, you have the three power options here. So there's one button, that's deck drive option, and then you have 1, 2 and 3 as far as the three different power levels is concerned. So that's why you should read the manual. So 1, 2, 3 and deck drive, and to see what deck drive is, there is of course some text in the instruction manual, but basically it's worth having a good look at the spec for this if you're going to get as well as the standard. And what else do you get? Didn't actually look in the box. You get something about the 100 plus Ryobi tools. You know exactly where that's going, and obviously the guide. And to be perfectly honest with you, that will be in the box in the garbage if this wasn't on camera, but I'm sure there's something interesting in there. So there you go. Just a quick tool update for unboxing and a quick trial, and hopefully someone finds that useful. If you do, please comment, subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully that will be the rolling flip top workbench, but I've got to wait for some materials to come in. So there's a few videos I need to knock out, so I'm going to get on with those now. Cheers.